Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you are able to hear me. So good morning, everyone. Guys, so let's start today's session. Good morning, everyone. Guys, kindly type in hi in the chat box so that I can understand whether you guys can hear me or not. So, guys, today we will be talking about Bitcoin and, of course, other coins also. So, the markets are currently quite bearish. As you can see, guys, the markets have turned sort of bearish. So why this has happened is, in the over the weekend, what we have seen is the you know prices have turned more or less sideways. Okay, and then as the new week has started, the markets are again still sideways, not moving anywhere. Okay, and last week, but like by the time the week has come to an end, okay, so what we can see is the markets gave a pretty bearish move. Okay, so all the way from 70 all the way from 77,000, the market has come down to 68,000, which is quite big, right? So that is the problem with with the markets right now. Okay, so as of now, what we are expecting is the prices are are expected to remain in this sideways direction, not moving anywhere, and till the time the price is able to sort of bounce back from the bottom, we should see an upward movement. Okay, so as of now, guys, the price is sideways. Okay, for BTC, for hyper liquid, which we were discussing last week, so the prices are sideways. Here also nothing different. It is currently trading at sort of 38 uh, dollars. Okay, so again, not a big movement as such. Okay, guys. So overall, the prices are quite, you know, weak. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin has been in a downtrending movement since the last few days. Okay, good morning, Prabhakaran. Good morning. So if you see Ethereum, okay, so Ethereum currently the price is sort of coming down from 2380 to 2060. Okay, so 2060 तक आ चुका है, and high chances that the market will actually turn sort of sideways here, not going anywhere. Okay. Now, guys, if you see the top five coins, right? So first is BNB. Let's look at BNB. We have already checked BTC. BNB, it is sort of sideways move, nothing different. Ethereum, it is sideways, no change. Okay, Solana, it is also sort of in this weak trend. Okay, so in every coin, guys, if the bottom trend line breaks down, right? If this bottom trend line breaks down, then there is a high chance that the price will come to around 64,000. Okay, just a second, guys. All right, so yeah, let's look at LTC. LTC is sort of, I think, sideways now. So LTC also, let's have a look. Some reason my trading view has just stopped to load. So LTC also, the price action is sort of similar, nothing different. Okay. Okay. So here also, if the price goes below this particular trend line, okay, if it goes below this particular trend line, then there is a high chance that the price can fall from it. Okay. So everywhere, like in all the coins, the market is sort of behaving this way. Now if you try to understand this from the point of view of global markets, so last week it closed in a bearish way. I mean, everything was sort of bearish. Even in the weekend session, we did cover the PAXG trade, and PAXG performed pretty well also. So we gave a short at 4,500 and a target till 4,000 450 and 4,400. As you can see, the price fell actually, PAXG price. So it fell like crazy. You can see. So gold prices are falling. Okay, like very sharply. You can see this. So gold is again down by another sort of 4%. Okay, and it's trading at a support zone now. So gold is falling, and this is sort of indicating that let's also have a look at the dollar index. So dollar index is actually going up, not too up, but it is trying to go up. So why is gold falling? I have to actually check on this, guys. I mean, gold has given a massive fall. I mean, almost by 23% within no time, which is crazy. Like Bitcoin is simply outperforming gold. Not only BTC, like let me check Nifty also. So Nifty is also extremely bearish, guys, today. So 2.6% negative, which is our own Nifty. So globally, the markets are absolutely weak. It's great that crypto markets are actually holding up, guys. Okay, it's a big, big, big sort of advantage for us to actually have the crypto market being strong. You can see how badly the gold price is falling. You can see how badly everything else is falling, right? So that is quite amazing to see, actually, guys. Okay, so this is my sort of analysis on gold. We can continue to be bearish on this. Okay, we can continue to be bearish on gold. I mean, I think the weight is falling. It's not only about gold; it's about everything basically. So the fall is crazy. Okay, let's also have a look at silver. So for silver, you just have to search XAG on Giottus. Okay, so silver is also falling. $64 is where it is trading at right now. So big fall in silver also. Okay. All right, guys. So both gold and silver are extremely bearish, and it's actually great that crypto is holding up. So if by any chance there is some recovery in the global markets, then crypto will actually start going up again. So BTC is only, I mean, on daily time frame, BTC is 1% up, but if you check the other assets, they are extremely negative, guys. So it's good that we are holding BTC in the current stages. That's actually a big deal. All right. Hope this is clear. All right. So that was one sort of analysis for this. Also, we can have a look at Ethereum or maybe Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is expected to be bullish. It's just that the markets are sort of weak. So if the markets start to be strong, then Hyperliquid should also start going up. Okay. All right. So not a lot of opportunities in the market right now, but definitely, guys, one trade setup that I can suggest is if gold comes to, the way it is falling, I think it will correct more. But if gold by any chance, if it comes to $4,000 or maybe around $4,200, okay, this support $4,200 followed by $4,000. So these two will be great supports for gold. Okay, we can see gold recovering from here if it comes down to this level. We haven't seen such a big fall in gold in so much time. Okay, that's one good thing. So with that said, guys, I think that's more than enough for today. Okay, so definitely look into buying gold. All right. So with that said, thank you so much. That's the only thing we have for sharing today. Okay. If you have any doubts, guys, you can obviously ask me. So I can share a signal now, and my signal would be, I mean, see, guys, honestly speaking, I don't want to be bearish because crypto is sort of holding well. And all of a sudden, as the Monday started, the market started to fall in the morning, the entire market. So I'm expecting a recovery in the evening, guys. Okay. Honestly speaking, there is an expectation of a recovery. So that's why I can actually, we can go for a small long trade. Okay. Not too much of risk. TP can be 2130 and SL is near 1970. Okay, 6x long. Okay, I've shared the trade, so it should work pretty well. Okay, and the idea is, on Monday morning only the market started to move up. Sorry, move down. So by the second half, we should see some sort of recovery. But it usually doesn't happen this way. Okay, if it falls further, then we have the stop loss. And crypto is actually holding up well. You can see Ethereum is indeed at a support zone only. If you see on 4 hours time frame, Ethereum is at a support zone. This is the trend line. So definitely look into buying around this trend line. We can actually plan a long, and that's what the long trade exactly is. Okay. So I'm sharing this trade on the community also. Okay. TP is around 2150 and SL is around 1970. Okay. And with that said, we are basically done with today's session. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. We'll again catch up tomorrow. I'm updating a few more signals in the community. So just be there. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.